Hello dear students, this is the second video on the story writing. Hope you have got hands on the basics of story writing. This is what we did last time. That is how and what should be the framework of a story writing. So let's start with the new part now. So here we go, story writing. So as I was mentioning that at times you are being given the guidelines of how to write a story, then of course it becomes pretty easier for everyone to patch up the words together and make a good ground of the story. So let me bring one such guideline for you here, and then we will begin. So here is the guideline for you people. So Viru and Kareem were young Carolites. Next week, their school was going to organize a camp near a forest in Ponmudi. And the outline says that went out to explore forest, lost the way, away from the camp, cries of animals, heard thump thump sound. A large elephant fronted angrily, came towards them. A balloon started blowing, big balloon, hit hard with hand and big bang, 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 loud noise. Elephant turned away, saved. Okay, so after reading the outline, we somehow get the hint of what should be the part of the story and how should we connect the story. So first is the beginning of the story. Okay, always keep that thing in mind that a story has a beginning, of course, it has a middle, and of course, it has a ending. So beginning needs to be a little creative because that's how you will attract your readers. Okay. So I guess here the beginning has already been given, so we will use it as it is. Okay. Viru and Karim were young Carolites. Next week, their school was going to organize a camp near a forest in Ponmudi. Okay. Uh, Now, our each and every character should breathe life. Okay, so we will give them some adjectives in order to, or adjectives and adverbs in order to breathe life into these characters. Okay, so words like this, just I'll showcase how you can use them. So they happily, now this is what I'm using as a word to bring a difference. They happily uh, went out to explore the forest on their own. Okay, and in their own, sorry, and in search of various herbs that they intended to collect from the forest, they lost their way back to the home. They were scared but composed as they were by each other's side. Okay, so here we are trying to show the emotions coming up. They were scared but composed. Composed means they were calm enough because they were by each other's side. Okay, uh, suddenly they have realized that it is going to be night soon, and they have um, they have traveled far away from the camp. Their fear started taking shapes in the form of cries of the animals living in the jungle. But they were bold enough to face the danger that lies ahead. Okay, so here we are trying to add some words in the space which is being given over here with the help of the features that they have. We want to convey to the public that they were bold, and something which actually happens when we are afraid, then we start listening to different things and things start taking shape. So this is what I have tried to do with this line. So let's move ahead. So they were bold enough to face the danger that lies ahead, and then the and then they heard a loud thumping sound. Now see, I have not used the exact word heard thump sound. I've just used the word they heard a loud thumping sound, and they could imagine a large elephant which might have come nearer to them. Okay, so here we are on the beginning, and suddenly I have realized even that here from this part, uh, the story has changed, taken a different track. So it's a middle part. Okay, so in the middle part, you basically talk about uh, the content of what actually was happening in the story. Okay, so this is the middle part. Let's continue the middle part. After looking at the boys, the elephant trumpeted angrily, thinking that the boys were a danger to it. Okay? So it hurriedly came towards them. Okay? So let's go further. Before it could harm them, the boys thought something quickly and took out a balloon from their pockets, which they recalled was given to them by their teacher when they entered the camp, not realizing they would need the balloon as a protection, and that too so early. Okay, let me shift it upwards. The one of the boys blew the balloon and hit it hard with the hand and created a bang. The sound was quite loud for the animal to bear and made it fearful, so it turned away and their life was saved. So here is the turning end. So whenever you are adding something, to turn the situation, it is, bringing you towards the climax or the end of the story. So these are the twisting ways of ending a particular story.